Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture. So we will continue to output values, but I'm going to show you how to create a table so we can show the values a little bit more clean, and also how to output values from our table on our database by a specific order. Let's say I want to output by name or alphabetical order, or by age, or by any other order. So well, let's go to the user form, and what I want to do is to put some more values or more users into our database. So we only have 3, so we need a little bit more. So let's type localhost user form. Okay, let's put some more values here. Let's say J. Jameson. Okay, male, under 30, whatever, comment, and 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Submit, well, there it is. Okay, another one. Let's put some more. Homer Simpson. He's a nice guy. So Homer at gmail.com. Under 30, I think he's over 60. Well, between 30 and 60. And type whatever you want here, and here as well. Submit. Okay. So yeah, just let me use just one more. Cruz, and whatever email you want here, female, under 30, and whatever. Okay, nice. Let me just confirm with localhost PHP my admin. Let me check my first database. Okay, so here it is. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 users. And now let's go to output.php, and let's say I want to present this a little bit better than we had it before. If I click here, okay, this is what we get, but I want this a little bit more presentable. So what I'm gonna do is create a table just before the while loop. Okay, and in here I'm gonna type echo, and now let's create the table, which is table align equals center, and we need to use a single quotes here because we are inside double quotes. Okay, cell spacing, can put 3, and cell padding equals, let's use 3 as well, and width equals 75%, and we close this. Okay, semicolon here. Now here we're going to use tr, and let's close the tr, and here td, table data, is going to be align equals 75%, sorry, left, and now here we can type and here we just close the td, and then let's open another td, let's type align equals to left, B, and here we type email. Okay, so I'm creating a table for the name and email. If you want to put some more columns, you can put some more columns for other fields, but I'm going to use just this for this example. I'm going to use only the name and email. And now close TD. And TR closed here. Okay, so let's save this and let me check how this is appearing. Okay, so we have here table name, email. Let me give a border here. Okay, border equals 1. Save this. Go back here. Okay, nice. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is grab all this information and put it in this table, inside this table. So let me go back here, and before row first name, and I'm gonna take these out. Okay, let's take the slashes out. So here I'm going to put echo, okay, make double quotes here, and here I'm going to put echo TR and TD, align equals left, okay, and here we type row. Let me take this out of here and here. Okay, so row, first name. Actually, let's start with the last name. So last name, here, first name. Let's concatenate a space in here, which is the comma. Okay, and then let's create TD. Let's close the TD and start a new table data. Align again. Equals left and double quote and concatenate row password and concatenate again, close TD and close TR. Okay, so I think we now have our table. We don't need this line break here now. Save this. And let's try and see if everything is working perfectly. Awesome, there it is. Everything perfectly presented. Name, but the email, we get the password. So we have to change this. I want to get the email instead of password. We have to go here, and instead of password, we need to type email to get the email field. Let's go back, refresh, and there it is. Okay, so pretty awesome how we can present everything in our database. If you want to include the rest of the fields, you can put them there, password. You also have the age. Okay, now let's say I want to present this in order, okay, by name, okay, or specifically order it by the second name. So to do that, let's go here and let's create a new file, which is going to be called ordered by name. Let me save this. Order by name.php. Okay, and let me grab everything that is in here, the full script, copy, and paste it here. Now let's go to output.php, and down here, let's go at the top. At the top, before the first echo, let's type here echo, and now let's type ahref. Let's create a link ahref to the order by name.php, and let's type order by name. Okay, and save this. And what happens is that we will create a link that when we click it, ordered by name, it will run the script here, and we'll get the table with the names all by order. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to change the code a little bit here, and we need to use a new query called order by. Okay, and to do that, let me go here, the query, select all from users. It's very simple. You just need to put here select all from users, but in order by, and now the field that has the names, which is, I'm going to order it by alphabetically by the last name. So last name, and then we type ASC, which is ascendant order, so it will start with A, B, C, D, E. Okay, let's save this, and basically that's it. If you go to the browser and we run output.php, we have these records, and if we click ordered by name, there it is. Okay, everything is ordered by the last name. So this is how you can order anything you want from your records in your MySQL database. And you can create different links for different orders that you want to give or present to the user of your platform. Okay, let's go to output. So ordered by name. Let's create a paragraph here. Type this with order by name, and we can go to order by name.php, and in here, let me copy this. Let's go here. Let's paste it here, and instead of order by name, order by ID. So we have to change this now to output.php. Okay, go back, refresh, order by ID, and order by name. Okay, so this is all for now, and